2015 Toyota Sienna. I'm doing the side view mirror glass replacement. Mine got damaged and it cracked in two. It's kind of hard to see on the camera, but it's just cracked in two. I'm going to replace it. Here's the Toyota part. That's the part number right there. I'll put links in the description. And yeah, I'm just getting the glass. Just take note, this is a heated mirror and it's powered. It has adjustable too. So if we look at this, it has two terminals right here for the heated part, for like the defroster in it, and then it has a couple little hook pieces, and then it has this guide pin that's on there. This you could just leave alone, you don't got to mess with that. So I got it unwrapped here. Now let's take a look. This little pin part is going to go underneath that little tab right there. So when you put this in, make sure that goes underneath that part. Now to get this off, what I do is I pull this all the way forward, I wiggle, and I pull it straight out from the top. Don't just rage pull this thing off because you'll break the little motor in there. And then once it's like this, you're just gonna pull it forward, and you have these little hooks right here on the bottom. So just go kind of up and outwards to get those hooks off, just kind of like this way, like that. Here's these heated mirror little clamps. These just go, you just pull them straight off. You could put them right on your new mirror. What I did is I marked the bottom one. So when I put my new one on, I just know to put the yellow wire on the bottom. And then these, just use one hand to hold the mirror tight and then use the other hand to wiggle and pull these off. They could be kind of stubborn, but they'll come off just straight off. You don't need to do nothing to push or twist and do two things at once. Just pull them straight up. Just be careful with this glass mirror so it doesn't shatter and crack and cut your hand or nothing. So once you get those off, mine dropped. So let's pretend my mirror didn't drop off when I was taking those off. So once you get those off, you can remove it, put your new one on. I connect the heated mirror part first, and then we're gonna put the bottom hooks in first. So what I did is I put the motor straight. Right now it's kind of tilted in. So take the motor and just kind of gently, very gently push it straight, and then you'll be able to get these hooks on. Get the hooks on. They should kind of pop and go into place. You should be able to feel it. And then you're going to gently push this up. Make sure that little pin part goes underneath that groove. And then you should hear it click or pop. It'll just go like click, click, like a really quiet click. And then that's it. It'll stay in place. I'm going to turn my power mirror on, make sure it works. And that's it. So be gentle with everything on the mirror so you don't crack nothing or break the motor. And that's it, guys. Hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video. Hey, what's up, guys? I wanted to tell you about this new soap I've been using by a new company called Quantum Soap. It's a men's soap company. They make multiple different bars of soap with their own ingredients and fragrance. They even have a dark matter bar, which is more grittier. If you're a mechanic, you have a lot of dirt and oil in your skin a lot, you can reach them at quantumsoapco.com. Free shipping on orders over $50. These soaps are made in the US with all natural ingredients by hand. No synthetic this, synthetic that. They've been great. They've hooked us up with a Guillermo Auto promo code. So if you head over to the website, type in Guillermo Auto in the checkout, you'll get 10% off. Again, these guys are on Facebook, Instagram. Check them out. Check the links below. Thanks for watching.